Good morning, students. Today we will start second chapter of your computer book, which is GUI Operation System Desktop Management. So, what is GUI stands for? G stands for graphic or graphical. U stands for user. I stands for interface. So you can say graphical user interface. Okay. So we will study about in this chapter Windows 7, Windows Desktop, Start button, Control panel. Okay, personalizing desktop, controlling system, date and time. So about these whole things we will study in this chapter. So first of all we will know what is desktop, or sorry, what is Windows 7. First of all we will know what is Windows 7. So what is Windows 7? Windows 7 is an operating system. Windows 7 is an operating system. So first of all you should know what is operating system. Operating system is nothing but it is a software. It is a software. And you can say which type of software operating system. It is a system software. It is a system software. Okay. And if there will be no software in your computer will not run. As we know, to run our computer there must be software and hardware. The correspond relationship between hardware and software computer able to run. And there is most essential software which is operating system, because when we switch on the first, this operating system is started and it loads its BIOS to the RAM and it start working. So this operating system is much needed, because this gives the our to this gives interface to us to work with the computer. So now here we will study about this is the example of, this is the type of operating system, Windows 7. Okay, there are many operating system like Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Vista, XP, Linux, Unix, Mac OS. So there are many operating systems. So now here in this chapter 2 we will study only about the Windows 7. Okay, and this Windows 7 was developed by Microsoft Corporation in 2009. So when it was developed? In year 2009. And which company developed? Microsoft Corporation. And one thing you must know, who is the owner of this Microsoft Corporation? The man, his name is Bill Gates. What is the name? Bill Gates. He is the owner of this Microsoft Corporation. Okay, so this Windows 7 were developed in year 2009. So there are some features of Windows 7. The first feature, it is a graphical user interface, GUI. It is very easy to use. It has a smart new look. It is highly user friendly. It takes little time to start. It supports high definition games. It supports multitasking. Multitasking means at a time we can do many things, like we can play the music, we can surf the web, we can play game also. So this is multitasking. Okay, we can play the game, yes, of course. When we start computer it take little time, in a few seconds computer get started. A smart new look means when we start the first screen we see, that is called desktop. So that was the new look. It is easy to use, yes, of course. So when you switch on your computer, Windows start getting loaded, the first screen appear, Windows completely get loaded on the computer is called desktop. As I told that the first screen, when you switch on your computer, how to switch on your computer? First of all we switch on the power button, then UPS, then CPU button, then computer get started. So when our computer gets started, on the monitor we can see the first screen. That first screen is called desktop. What we call? Desktop. You must remember this one. The first screen appears on your computer screen, that is called desktop. So here you can give the answer also. Which is the latest version of Windows 7 available today? So that is Windows 10. What is the answer? Windows 10. That is the latest one. Which company developed Windows? Just I told that Microsoft Corporation. Who? Microsoft Corporation. Name any two earlier version of Windows 7. Earlier version, as I told that you can write Vista, 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 or you can write XP. These two are the earlier version of Windows, Vista and XP. So okay. Now next we will take out the next page, that is page 18. So Windows 7 desktop. The desktop is the main screen. You can see this is the desktop. When, as I told that when this computer is started, this first screen you can see, this screen is called desktop. Okay, the main screen that you see after you start your computer, that is your desktop. Okay, on this desktop there are some icons, shortcut icons are there, application icons are there. Okay, so about these icons we will also study. There are different types of icon. Okay, there are recycle bin, program icon, system icon, file icon, folder icon, and computer icon. So these all we will study. So you can see also, this is the icon, this is icon, here is the start button, here is the on the here this. Okay, here is the system tray where the date, time, and all things are written. So this is about the desktop. Okay, Windows 7 desktop. So first we will study about the taskbar. Taskbar is usually located at the bottom of the desktop. Where it is located? Bottom of the desktop. So bottom of the desktop means where it will locate? At the bottom. Here. Okay, here it will locate. So that is the taskbar, that is called taskbar. Okay, and you can drag, you can move it also. You can place it here also, you can place it here also, or you can place it here also. Anywhere on this four side, anywhere you can place this taskbar. But usually where it is located? Here, at the bottom of the desktop. Okay, so about in this taskbar, what are the things content? So first is your start button. Okay, so where you will get this start button? Generally you will get this start button at here you will see this start button will be here only. You will get start button here. Okay, so this start button. Okay, so anything you want to search, or any software you want to find out, or any file you want to find out, or any changes you want to do, whatever things you want to search or do in your computer, you can find in here. You click on the start button, there is a search box. You can find your programs also, file also, whatever you want to find. You must have to go on the start button. Okay, then next is your taskbar. Okay, taskbar, here is the taskbar. Taskbar shows the various activity program. Okay, and here we can pin the program. Pin means we can stick the program, we can just fix the program which we generally use that. So this is the taskbar. Okay, system tray present at the right side of the, here is the system tray. Okay, you can see here is the system tray, and here in this system tray, what are the things we can see? There you will see times available, clock available, volume button. Okay, network icon, external hardware icon. So this is called this particular area, this place is called system tray. Okay, next is your arrow pick. So what is arrow pick? Arrow pick is that this is a special function is given by this Windows 7. By the help of this, we can make the visible window or transparent window for a quick look at the desktop. Suppose we are working, suppose on this desktop I am working and I am watching any movie. Okay, I am watching any movie over here. Got it? I am watching movie over here. Suppose I am watching here movie. At the same time, now suppose now I am watching movie, but I just think that I have to see the time, or I have to see something on the desktop. So but at the same time I don't want to minimize my movie, I don't want to close my movie. Okay, so what I will do, simply I will just drag my mouse to here. You can see here is the place for the arrow pick. Here I will simply drag the mouse, and what will happen, that here is the arrow pick place. What arrow pick will do, arrow pick will make transparent our desktop. Okay, whatever the movie we are playing, that will also play, but that will not at the time that will see when I hover my mouse. Okay, what I will do, I just bring my mouse over there and just try to hover on this arrow pick icon. So what will happen there this movie part will be minimizes, and we can see our desktop, and whatever time we want to see or icon we want to see, that we can see. That's the facility of arrow pick. So what is the meaning? It just make the window transparent. Got it? you can see this is the place for the arrow peak here. This particular, you can see this is the arrow peak. Okay, understood? This is about the arrow peak. When we are hovering over this button, make all visible window transparent for the quick look. So here when we hover the mouse, means we just bring the mouse and just try to little move that mouse. Hover means we bring mouse cursor over there and move, so that is called hover. So when we hover our mouse there, we can see the window, transparented window. Okay, you can take out the next page, that is now. Here you can see this Windows 7 is an updated version and also referred to as superbar. So this Windows 7 is also sometimes called superbar. What is called superbar? Okay, now next is we will, as I told, write any two features of Windows 7. Here any two features you can write. In the page number 17 you studied about it. Two features, any two features you can write. It is easy to use, it support multitasking. Any two you can write. There is some points are there in page number 1. You can see here in the page number 1. Okay, in that page number you can see in the page number 1 there you will get. Okay, anyone you can write. Okay, it's about multitasking, it take little time to start and whatever. Okay, so there are many points are there, any two you can write down. Okay, now next we will study about the icon. As I told, that icon is what? It is a small picture on the desktop that present various programs. So we can open a program just by double clicking on the icon. What is icon? It is a small picture. It is a small picture. You can see in here is the icons are there. You can see here the icons are there. These are, you can see these all are the icons. So this, what is it? It is a small picture on the desktop and which represent a various program, and by double clicking, when we double click on that program, we can open the, when we double click on that icon, we can open application program, or that program we can open. Okay, so there are some different types of icons are there. Some different types of icons are there, like a computer icon, recycle bin, network. So some common, some about one by one we will discuss the icon, about the icon. The first icon is computer. This provides access to resources on your computer. You can access your flash drive and other drive on your computer by using this icon. You can see this is the icon of computer. So this icon is already we sometimes we say that you know about this icon. This is called my computer. Also in your in the lab you have seen this icon. This is also called my computer. And when you click on the my computer, you can access the drive where the files are there. You can search your files like movie, picture, sound, and all that you can find out. So this is also called my computer icon. So this icon is computer icon. You can see the icon just this is a small picture, and there inside that picture you can see there is a small picture of computer. Okay, next icon, that is recycle bin. This represents program where Windows send all the files you delete from any folder on your computer. Okay, you can restore deleted file from or permanently delete it from the recycle bin. This icon is called recycle bin. It is just like a dustbin. Okay, you can see this icon. This is your recycle bin icon. Okay, so what is the use of recycle bin? Whenever you delete your file or folder, where it goes to the recycle bin. Okay, and also when you want to restore means suppose by mistakenly you deleted your file and you want to come back that file, you want to roll back that file, so that it is possible. You go to the recycle bin and there is an option to restore your file. There is an option restore the file, and you can restore your file. At the same time, there is also an option permanent delete. If you delete your file or folder permanently means that file will not go to the recycle bin. That file will completely delete from your computer. Okay, so in that case you will not able to recover. So if simply you deleted, it will go to the recycle bin, and again you want to restore your file, you can restore from this recycle bin. So this is the icon of recycle bin. Next is your program icon. So program icon, this represent in the this represent program. This icon represent the program form of small graphic icon. To start program, just double click on it. Program icon means, suppose these are the like Word, PowerPoint, Excel. So means this is the icon for the particular program, for the particular software. Suppose I want to open Scratch, or I want to open one game, so that game's icon will be there. That is the application. Okay, so in the mobile also you have seen, to open the gallery there is an icon, to open the setting there is an icon. So for the particular program there is the icon. So likewise here also it is the icon for the particular programs. Okay, now next is your shortcut icon. Shortcut icon are it is icon with a small arrow on the left corner. You can see in this icon, this shortcut icon, you can see here, you can nicely try to see, there is the small, there is the arrow. You can see in this all icon there is a arrow on the left corner side. Okay, where on the left corner side you can see there is the arrow. Okay, so that is your shortcut icon. Shortcut icon means that we just created for shortcut, to means I want to use it regularly, I just make the shortcut icon on the desktop. Okay, that application I don't want to again search and open that. For that, to just read off that all things, I just make the shortcut icon. And how you will know that is the shortcut icon? You will know there is the arrow. Okay, on the left corner side there will be one arrow, so then you can understand that is your shortcut icon. Next is your file. So file, so what is file? If you do some work in a program and save it on the desktop, the icon created is called file. Okay, some work you have done, suppose one file you created, you write your name and all that on the Word. Okay, in the Word file you created your database, you write all the your name, address, school names and all that, and you saved on the desktop. Okay, and or anywhere you saved. Okay, and generally when you save this file on the desktop, where you save desktop, then you were able to see this type of icon. So this program icon, this is actually program icon, and it represents that, but there is no arrowhead. So this is your file. This is your file. Next is your folder. These are local. These are the location created by you in which you save your file. On one folder may contain several folders which may have been saved in different programs. So this is the icon for folder. Suppose I want to make one folder. Inside that folder I want to save my file. So you have seen this type of icon also in computer, yellow type of icons it is. So this is your folder icon. Okay, and inside one folder you can make many folders, several folders you can make inside one folder. Okay, it is possible. So this is all about your folder. Next is your start button. You know where is the start button? It is the start button is the main gateway of your computer program. So anything you want to do, any changes you want to do, where you have to go? You have to go to the start button. Okay, in the start button you will find all the your choice of work and whatever you want to do. In the next class we will discuss about start button.